Hello, and thank you so much for inviting me to speak with you today. As a former Girl Scout and troop leader myself, it means a lot to me to be able to congratulate young women who are outstanding Girl Scouts receiving the Gold and Silver Awards today. Whether you're a middle schooler receiving the Silver Award or one of the 36 receiving the Gold Award, it is such an honor for you to receive this award amongst so many impressive women in your organization, especially on the 100th anniversary of the Gold Award. From building a library in Sierra Leone to hosting the free art classes for kids, leading public speaking camps for girls, or providing hearing aids for folks in rural Peru, you are all being recognized for work that will truly make a difference. Girl Scouts is helping foster the next generation of women leaders. It empowers young women to lead, learn important life skills, and explore your passions. Who knows? Someone in this room could be a future United States Senator. When I was growing up, I never imagined I would one day become the senior senator from Washington State. I grew up in a family of 7 kids, and we didn't have that much, but I did have the Girl Scouts. From the time I was in grade school, I remember going to troop meetings and getting exposed to ideas and people and activities I never would have otherwise. Everything from learning songs to learning about other cultures. You know, when I first became involved in politics fighting against cuts to my kids' preschool program, I was told I couldn't make a difference because I was just a mom in tennis shoes. Now I'm proud to be fighting as a former Girl Scout, not just for Washington State families in the U.S. Senate, but for women and girls and families everywhere. So don't ever let someone tell you you can't do something. Keep fighting to make a difference because we need more women like you, and our country's future depends on it. I'd like to think I'm a better senator today because I learned to share and listen and how to solve problems. If there were more Girl Scouts in the Senate today, maybe we would be able to get a lot more done. Good luck to everyone being recognized today in your next endeavor, and thank you, Girl Scouts, for the incredible work and Spirit Gold Award recipients have brought to our communities over the past 100 years. I know you can and will accomplish great things. Thank you.